Congratulations! You have made the right choice for your comfort, safety, and convenience by acquiring Resfri Ar portable refrigerator because it was designed by refrigeration experts. We are here to help you to take the maximum advantage from all functions of the product and to use it with safety. Get to know a little more about this product now. The portable refrigerator Resfri Ar was designed for mobile use in 12 or 24 volts for on-board power sockets or AC use in 100 or 240 volts. Its total usable volume is 31 liters and weighs 15 kilos. Its dimensions are 422 millimeters high, 345 millimeters wide, and 615 millimeters deep. It has excellent internal space and is able to accommodate 2 bottles of 2 liters in the vertical position or 49 cans of 350 milliliters. The internal LED light turns on and off with the opening of the lid through a switch located next to the hinge. With a sealing system of excellent resilience and odor-free, the sealing against air infiltration and dirt is guaranteed. Functional cup holders located on the outer surface of the lid and side handles with passage for a carrying strap guarantee ease and comfort in the transport. It has a manual thermostat with 7 temperature levels. The turbo function allows for a quicker cooling and increases the cooling capacity up to 50%. The cooling range goes from minus 1.7 to minus 21 degrees. The portable refrigerator Resfri Ar is easy to handle and install. Choose a place that provides good air circulation at the sides and the back. Plug the connectors into the power supply, and that's it. Your refrigerator is ready to use. For further information, check the support manual, visit the website, or call the hotline 5554 3511 1107.